Hello, I am Anirudh. The question is the value of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 times xyz when x plus y plus z is equal to 9 and xy plus yz plus xz is equal to 11 is. Let's see the solution. We have to find the value of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 times x, y, z. We can factorize the above expression as equal to x plus y plus z times x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xz, or we can write the above expression as equal to x plus y plus z times x plus y plus z whole square minus 3 times xy plus yz plus xz. Now from the question we know that x plus y plus z is equal to 9 and xy plus yz plus xz is equal to 11, and therefore putting these values in the above expression we get x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 xyz is equal to 9 times 9 square minus 3 into 11, or 9 times 81 minus 33, which is equal to 432. Therefore we have answer option number 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Anirudh. The question is, if x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus k contains x plus 6 as a factor, the value of k is. Let's see the solution. Now we have a theorem known as remainder theorem, as if x plus a is a factor of f of x, then f of minus a is equal to 0. Here we are given f of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus k, and a is given to be equal to 6, and therefore f of minus 6 must be equal to 0, or minus 6 whole cube plus 3 times minus 6 square plus 4 times minus 6 plus k is equal to 0, or minus 216 plus 108 minus 24 plus k is equal to 0, or k is equal to 132. Therefore we have answer option number 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.